The pro-ZANU-PF online movement Varakashi4ED is pledged to stop up efforts in promoting and defending President AD Mnangagwa's Vision 2030, reaffirming their commitment to the ruling party's agenda during a strategic meeting held in Harare on Tuesday. Sana vina mashoko obuda panguva ino achinokonzi aiwa Varakashi4ED panguva ino nevakomana vamuri kuona vari kubuda muvidhio vari kunyatsoonanzi aiwa maZANU-PF big fish avoti aiwa tosapota mutungamiri wenyika nyange zvaita sei nekuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon tivina kunombobuda nyika muchinzi. Speaking on behalf of the movement, Varakashi4ED Vice Chairman Mairos Watungwa announced that the team is fully mobilized to magnify the 2030 agenda by increasing its visibility and influence, especially across digital platforms. In a statement posted on Facebook, Watungwa said, "Today, the Varakashi4ED National Leadership Team, comprised of Chairman Godwin Ngaka, Vice Chairpersons Mairos Watungwa, and Maria Gia Madondo Juma, and Advisor Joseph Kudiwa, held a fruitful meeting with the Farai Moroyiwa Marapira, the ZANU-PF Director for Information at the party headquarters in Harare." She added, "During this important discussion, we reaffirmed our commitment to remaining loyal to the party and showing respect for its leadership. We also emphasized the importance of discipline in our mandate to defend and promote the initiatives of our party and government, while also amplifying the transformative accomplishments of President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa towards the attainment of Vision 2030. The Varakashi4ED group has grown into one of ZANU-PF's most visible online voices, using social media to engage the citizens, counter critics, and publicize government achievements. Thomas Kwatkoro Varakashi panguva ino voti aiwa tomira nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa tichizama kumufaitira for 2030 vision yake iri kuonekwa kunzi ivision aiwa ine corruption enhamo nekutambura kumacitizens. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko chimina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.